and welcome to CLS. This video is about carbohydrates. Definition. Carbohydrates can be defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones or compounds which produce them on hydrolysis. They are often referred to as saccharides. Functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most abundant dietary source of energy for all organisms. They are precursors for many organic compounds such as fats, amino acids, etc. Carbohydrates participate in structure of cell membrane and cellular functions such as cell growth, adhesion and fertilization. Carbohydrates are structural components of many organisms. Carbohydrates serves as storage form of energy such as glycogen to meet immediate energy demands of body. Classification. Carbohydrates can be classified as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are simplest group of carbohydrates. They are simple sugars and their general formula is CnH2ON. Monosaccharides cannot be further hydrolyzed. Based on their functional group, monosaccharides can be subdivided as aldoses and ketoses. In aldoses, functional group in monosaccharide is an aldehyde. For example, glyceraldehyde, glucose. Whereas in ketoses, the functional group in monosaccharide is a keto group. Example, dihydroxyacetone and fructose. In the given diagram, the functional group of an aldehyde and a ketone groups are shown. Based on number of carbon atoms, monosaccharides can be again subgrouped as trioses, tetroses, pentoses, hexoses, heptoses, etc. The number of carbon atoms in each group is also given. For example, glucose is an aldohexose, whereas fructose is a ketohexose. Oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides contain 2 to 10 monosaccharide molecules which are liberated on hydrolysis. Based on the number of monosaccharide units, they are further subdivided as disaccharide, trisaccharide, etc. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are monosaccharide units with high molecular weight up to a million. Polysaccharides are usually tasteless, non-sugars. They form colloids with water. Polysaccharides are of two types, homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. In coming videos, we will further discuss about each classification. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you.